Hi everyone, welcome back to Skill. Today in this tutorial we are going to explore two important Selenium WebDriver methods, driver.quit and driver.close. In this tutorial, I will explain how to use these methods is critical for effectively managing browser session in our automation script. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the browser commands, in which I have explained about the getting the current URL and print in a console. After this, I explain how you can get the title of the web page and then refresh the web page. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on this Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name, close, and then click on Python file. Let's import the WebDriver and then initialize the URL. Copy this, paste here. Next, we need to define the URL. URL is to enter this URL in this double quote and then driver dot get and then enter variable name, which is URL. Let's add some wait here after navigating to this URL. 3 seconds wait. First, I will show you how to use the quit method, and then I will explain how to perform the close browser by using close method. So here you can view this is the website and copy the URL and paste here. Now use the driver dot quit. After quit this, we can add some wait here, time dot slip 3 seconds. Let's run this script. Right click and click on run close. First, it will navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds and then close the browser. Driver.quit close all browsers windows open during the session and ends the WebDriver instance, while driver.close closes only the current active window but keeps the WebDriver session remain. Now, first we need to open the new window. So here I will use driver dot switch to dot new window. After switching to new window, here I need to open the new URL in the next window. So use here driver dot get and then enter the URL. Copy this URL and paste here. Let's add some wait here after closes the current window driver time dot slip at 3 second wait. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL. Here just remove this driver dot quit because here I am using the driver dot close. So after waiting time dot 3 seconds, add here driver dot close. Add some wait here after close the browser. Time dot slip 10 seconds. Let's run this script. Right click and then click on run close. In this scenario, first it will navigate to the first URL and then open the new window and then navigate to the URL and then close the current window. That is what we are tutorial on driver.quit and driver.close. I hope this helpful clarify the difference between the two methods and when to use them in your Selenium automation project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Skill World for more automation tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.